rivers, floods, and droughts, earthquakes, and horses.
Brother, against the light na po. Uy, kaya. Martha na lang daw.
I am Ocean, the god of oceans, and fresh water rivers that bounded the earth. I am known for my craft blowhorn and a serpentine fish around my legs.
Video, ay, picture ako, picture ako.
Good morning. I am Amateur, the sea goddess and wife of Poseidon.
Behold, ladies and gentlemen, I am here before you to represent the god of sea, Nereus.
Ano
I
yan?
know what an inherent man of the sea, and I have the power to dictate the future. Thank you.
Ay, ang galing ni Rachel. Ganda palikpik.
I am Sure, the Greek goddess, mother, creatress, also called the goddess of all things.
I am the god Triton, and I am the god of sea. I am the sun and herald
Hawak
of
nga na live
Poseidon.
ka. Hawak.
Good morning, everyone. I am Bakara.